Hello everybody. So I have something to share with you guys. We just been through 3 days of snow. It's a storm, it's a blizzard, it's come with wind, it come with everything, guys. I was so powerful. Like, we have an holiday called Family Day here, which was February, I believe it was February the 17th. And it was like the perfect time to spend Family Day because I come from work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I just in PJs after PJs after PJs. I go nowhere, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people that stay indoor as well, because I don't even see cars on the road because the street was unbelievable to drive in. You couldn't drive on the street, and we have to go outside and shovel and shovel and shovel. And you can hear the wind, just like something like some like weird wolf. That's how the wind was behaving, and the snow was on the the trees, guys, and it was even falling off. But keep in mind that it was very, very cold here. So I'm passing around just to show you the mountain of snow. This is just after the storm. Like, this is Tuesday morning, bright and early. And I'm just going around to show you the mountain of snow. Like, I don't know how it look on video right now, but you should see all these snow just piling up. Like, it is so high. Like, even for us, I don't even know where to put the snow. Like, I've seen a guy, he was shoveling the snow, and it reached to a point that it was so high. What happened? The snow just come running back straight in his driveway. Like, I could not believe what I was seeing. This was like on the other side of the road, guys. I just stand up with a shovel in my hand. I could not believe what I was seeing. Honestly, I wanted to go help him, but I couldn't go help him because me and my husband have all these snow to clean already. So I was standing up there watching him, but there was a neighbor next door shoveling, and he see what happened as well. So he went over and helped him with the snow that come just running down back his driveway. So that was a good ending anyway. So I feel better after, I went back inside telling my family and so forth what's happening. And you can see too, guys, some of these driveways that I was passing, even on the other side of the road, they didn't even shovel as much as they should. Maybe they just shovel whatever their vehicle can come out. Just that little, But honestly, it's about broken, man. It's really terrible. Especially if the snow is heavy. Oh my gosh. If the snow is heavy and you have a back problem, you're in trouble. You better get some help. Or you have to just do it little by little by little. As you can see, the sun came up. So it's got a little brighter right now, so you can see a little of it. So as you can see, I'm showing you guys the snow is mountain. Like you can see, some people don't even clean their cars off. There's a car just passed me by just now. They don't even shovel, like not shovel, but clean their cars off. Like what the hell? And you know, if the police stop them, they're gonna be getting a ticket for that. Because you're not supposed to be driving around your car with snow on top of your car, or even your blind side or anything like that. You're supposed to be cleaning off your snow before you get on the road. But as you can see right here, guys, you can see the amount of snow. And tonight they said they're gonna be getting more snow on top of what we got. Like, Lord, woo, help us. Last year we didn't get much snow, but this year we got a lot of snow this year, and a lot of videos to make to show you guys some snow and some things that's going on. So stay tuned for all these videos, guys. I'm going to be uploading. I have a lot of videos, and I'm going to be uploading them for you just soon as I get some time. And also on my aroma side, there is a lot of people are requesting me to make some diffuser oil for them, show them how to make it and so forth. So I remember you, and I'm gonna be getting to you as soon as I can. Don't forget, guys, if this is the first time watching my videos, please go and subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me, a lot to me. And I want to thank all my new subscribers. Just thank you so much for everything. Thank you for watching these videos and such great comments. And up until today, I don't have anybody that's rude to me or anything like that. That's one of the things I was afraid of when I start YouTube videos, about people and their comments and so forth, because I always see so much dirty comments about YouTubers, and I always tell them to stop, behaving like that. If you don't like the videos, guys, just don't watch it. You don't have to comment or anything like that. Alright, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video to the end. Thanks again. right about when I was taking this video. It is -23. So cold, so cold.